Hi friends, today I am going to tell about how to run a Python program in terminal. First, I am going to create a simple Python program to print hi friends. For that, first we have to open a text file and write print hi friends. Okay, and save the file with the extension .py. Okay, then open the terminal and go to the folder where the Python program is saved. Okay, this is our program. Okay, then run the command python code.py. Okay, here the output hi friends. Okay, in this way we can run a Python program in terminal. Thank you.